Go ahead. Ready, set. We'll see. I don't think it's gonna. It does. You can see her actually moves around, so it's, I don't really have no current because it's in a swimming pool. But if you have this in a lake, it's, you want to be in an open space if you want to go ahead and do this. And he did. Woohoo! He did fly. Interesting. It did fly, but it's really risky. You can see here I'm actually pressing the motion controller to land on water, but I'm having a hard time because it looked like the sensor is saying something that is not stable, so it will not let me want to land. So that's a good sign that actually the sensor is really good, really accurate. But yeah, this is just experiment, guys, just to show it to you what this thing can do. And you can see here with the, of course I didn't put the stabilization on. This is just recording from the goggles, and you can see here it just moves around. And right now it's an indoor screen swimming pool, so you don't really see any wind as much blowing. But if you have this on, I would say outdoor, is really risky. And you can see here what it does look like. And because I guess it's just trapping the
This
wind
propeller
more.
guards, so it blocks it, so it's make the flight performance like not even worth flying like this. So anyway, don't do it. I would not recommend it for if I were you guys. This thing's worth 600 something bucks, just the drone itself. If you crash it, it's total loss, I would say. And right now, like I said, I'm an indoor screened swimming pool. So if you have this like in the lake or in the beach like this, it's gonna get blown everywhere and probably flip over. And I will not take the risk. I'm just showing it to you guys, what this avatar drone, FPV can do. And it do its job. I mean, the sensor do is good. Like we're supposed to. Of course. And you can see here it's really delayed because the censoring is actually, so I'm actually pausing it, breaking it for a little bit and then turning it back, put it back onto for the motor. And you can see here it just won't not let me do it. So
It's just a test for you guys to see what else it can do. And it's loud, of course, so I'd lower down the volume. And yeah, I mean, would I would I recommend this if you're flying around lake? No, I would not recommend it, guys. I would just, don't put any no landing gear or anything on it. Like floats in water, because you cannot like look at it. It's really unsafe. And you can see here it's getting it's getting worse and worse. Look at that. And I think right here I pressed the pause, and it still just went down. I mean, that could have been a crash. But anyway, I just want to say thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share.